The Isar has such a distinctive sculptural opening. How did that specific mechanism emerge from your experiments?
Oh, it came from the idea that it's like the construction of the first bridges, in architecture. I can show you this with paper. You have a straight surface. Let's imagine that this is fabric, right? And you put something heavy on it. Straight. Falling. Now you create a curve. An arch, like on the Isar. You see? Resistance. It's the way the first bridge, made of stones are done. The arch is creating, I don't remember exactly the physics of it because I left school a long time ago. But when you have this, and when you push on this, the curve is creating resistance. That's the point of the Isar, actually. It's a flat surface, but when you fill it like this, you create resistance because you have this curve. So the idea is basically this. The more you pull there, the rounder it is there, the more protective it is. That's the system.
So you don't believe in drawing or cutting patterns like traditional? Mm-hmm. How did you develop something as complex as the Isar without traditional design methods?
Well, the answer is easy. The Isar is not complex. I just explain you. It's just a tube of fabric which is stitched on the back side of a normal backpack, and that's because it's so simple. That's limit in between simplicity and minimalism. Minimalism sounds a bit like a religion. It's like, there is value in the simplicity, while simplicity could be just considered like you have no idea, so you just do it with a piece of fabric, right? And actually, because I have this naive approach of the fabrication of a bag, I end up with shapes that are looking complicated because nobody would dare to do it the way I do it. A bag, in theory, and you know it very well, it's made of lots of pieces of fabric, right? And doing it just with a simple piece of fabric, I keep on saying to people, that is very simple. And everybody is telling me, oh, come on, that's not so simple. Yes, it is simple. It's a naive approach. It's a bit like art made by kids. This sort of art is beautiful because it's very authentic. It's made by people who don't want to imitate. They just put their subconscious directly on the paper. There is no limitation. That's totally free. That's maybe why our shapes are different. It's because they are made with freedom. Usually a designer does a drawing and then it gives the drawing to a model maker, and the model maker is going to use his or her science to make the thing. But I don't have this science. So I do how I can with fabric. And that's why I end up with new things. It's because I didn't learn how to do it. It's like improvisation, kind of.
Carryology is proudly backed by our friends at Bellroy. To learn more, visit our About Us page, link in the description.